How it works? Imparting skills, upskills. We prepare multimedia content in English and Hindi for the process. For example, how to assemble a mobile phone. We integrate the same with the Maharishi's Augmented Reality System, MARS platform. Module 1. An interactive mobile app with stepwise integration. Distributed to students for them to watch the video independently. Module 2. We then integrate it on the MARS platform with RFID interface. As the person is working in real world, he or she is guided by the application on the computer.
Try again.
Funds acquisition. We prepare multimedia content in English and Hindi for entrepreneurship programs. Through our interactive mobile app, we share this information with participants who have enrolled for the program. The content covers topics such as how to prepare business and marketing plans, etc. What are the government schemes applicable for getting microfinance to set up your own business, how to get these funds, etc. We take a pre-test to understand how much they have understood by going through the mobile app content. To set the pace for the webinar session, we take a pre-test using Flip It concept. We share the template in Word format to assist them in filling out the application for obtaining government funds. When they approach the bank, if they need any clarifications or guidance, they will call the call center.